What's up? This is going to be a video on how to clean your Asus ROG GM. I forgot what's the model. It's the GM501G. If you want to clean the exhaust, because probably it's already gathering lots of dust in it. So let's just put this one here. And there. So I've got this messy table right now because I was cleaning my stuff. Oh, I wonder where we can put this. Let's just take this one off. And this one here. And this is going to be a review, a little bit of review of the electronic screwdriver that we got from Amazon. It's not from Amazon. So I hope you can see it clearly. So what we have here is I've got a brush, and I've got this portable vacuum. Pretty sure there's going to be a lot of dust in there. So what we have here is the 59-in-1 electronic screwdriver. It's the Wowstick. Yeah. So while cleaning this one up, it's a bit of review as well, since this is going to be the first time that we're going to be using this. The first thing that we have noticed is, unlike the other electronic screwdriver, they all got they got the micro USB here, and this one has the USB type C, which is a very big plus. And we have this is the clockwise and this is the counterclockwise, if I'm not mistaken, and it has this cover. Yeah, and if you press these buttons, there's the lights will also turn on. Although I would love if they just separated the switch for the lights, because it'll be useful if you have a screw that is very far and you can see the opening of the screw. So
Daddy,
what you're going to do is that you need to turn the light on without having the driver turned on, so that you will not ruin the screw. So yeah, that's one thing that I really love to have there. And it got these bits here. Yeah, so we're gonna pick the one that will fit on our long top screw. Yeah, I guess this should fit it. It's the PH0. And also this is a really nice addition to the wall stick. You can just put your wall stick there on the table. Yeah, I really love that. So right now we're gonna unscrew and see if how's the wall stick perform. But first we're gonna make sure we have these magnetic work table so that you're not gonna lose your screws, because these are like tiny screws from this laptop. So thing is, this laptop has a different kind of exhaust. When you, if you can see it, when you open it up, it also opens up the exhaust behind. Yep, you can see that. Okay, and then so here we go. I guess that's the right side. There, see, and that's how fast it is. And just put your tiny screws in the magnetic work table. There. There. Make sure it stays in one place so that you're not gonna lose it, because they're too small. And after that, we're gonna flip this one here and open it. Not sure if you can see it from here. There we go. So what we have is there's a lock in there. See, it's really dusty, and this one is already open since we already unscrewed it. So what we're going to do is to just carefully remove this one here. There, and that's all we got. Just there. See, it's really messy, and we can close the laptop now. Just put this one here and close the laptop. There. If you can see all this dusting there. Yeah, so we're gonna clean it out. Gonna use vacuum. No, it doesn't. So I'm gonna try brushing it up. Yeah, see, it's so messy. You'll notice this when your laptop gets really hot easily. That's when you needed a cleaning. So that did it. Dust. that's what we're going to do. We're just gonna pause the video a bit and clean it, and then turn it back on once we're done with the vacuum, because it's just gonna take a minute. All right, be right back. So yeah, we're back.
One more video
first? Yeah. So I'm just checking if it's still has lots of dots in it, and I think it's pretty clear already. Yeah, I think that's clear enough. And then I'm gonna brush this off as well. Now we're just gonna wipe it. I think this will be easier to wipe it instead. Alright, see you. So yeah, we're back, and we're gonna put it back. Just check from here. Yeah, the exhausts are clean. So right now, yeah, okay. So if you wanna put it back, just have to open it again. There, so that you can see this. What do you call this one? Hinge? Not sure. And then just carefully slide your cover there. And once that slides in there, make sure both of them are properly in place, and you can close the laptop carefully. There. So both of them are properly in place, and we're gonna screw it back. So the one thing that I really love about this magnetic screwdriver, it's not magnetic though. Yeah, there's also one thing that I really love to add in it. I hope that they're gonna add some magnetic. It's not in place yet. So, there. Magnetic bits, so that you'll not lose your screws. So just clockwise, and that's it. See, it's not magnetic. Although I think it's a little bit, but not. See, that's how fast it is. It's really easy to repair small items with this one, with this tool. It's really handy. And the last there, and that's it. Oh, no, that's my mistake. I didn't check it. See, really easy. Yeah, really. See, it's still not. If you can see that, I forgot to put it back in. There. Just make sure all the 4 locks are in place before you close it. Yeah. There. Okay, I'm gonna screw it. So yeah, that's it. that's it, guys. This is a little bit of review of this Wowstick pen driver. Yep, that's really easy. Yep. So check this out. Just make sure you get those USB-C charging port. Yep.